In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this please upgrade Roblox error on your iPhone or iPad. So to fix this, first open the recent apps menu and then remove Roblox from it. This will completely close the app. Next, you need to restart your iPhone or iPad. So simply open the control center and then long press on the power icon in the top right corner. Then turn off your iPhone or iPad and then turn it back on. After you have done that, head to the settings app. Now here tap on general. In this menu, scroll down and then tap on date and time. Now make sure you have enabled set automatically toggle from here. If your iPhone or iPad is set to an incorrect time, Roblox may not work. So make sure to do this first. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and then tap on VPN and device management. Now make sure your iPhone or iPad is not connected to any VPN service. If it is, make sure to disconnect it from here. Once you have done this, all you have to do is open Roblox and it should work fine. However, if you still experience problems, uninstall Roblox from your iPhone or iPad and then install it back. This will definitely fix the error. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.